Fixing Kia Sportage window. Turn on ignition. Not working. Pry that open. See a screw there. Pry this gently. Side, there's another screw there, another one screw here, one screw there. So after you take off 4 screws, set it aside. Grab your pry bar, pry it over here. Pop. Wait for it to pop. Screws. Take out the door. Take off the lock. Lift it up. Then unplug. Switch, take off the door. So you gotta pretty much take off the switch. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Take it out. So after you took off 6 screws, grab your screwdriver. You have to pry this out. Just insert it on the gap. Once you pry it out, will pop there. Slip this. Then you gotta need screwdriver, sandpaper, and a contact cleaner, any contact cleaner. So you gotta remove the switch from the case. Be back. So what I'll do is I'll pry this out. So you pry it out. You will see a lock here. Then you gotta pry this switch out again. Just be careful frying it. Don't put too much force. See, just pry it because these slots, those lock and tab go there, so you gotta pry it out. Once you pry it out, you'll have this. Set it this aside. Then you go pry the lock in here and in there. Once you pry it a little bit, pry the back as well. Then you'll see the white cross fall. That's alright. These ones, I'll show you how later. Inspect. If it's see burn marks, clean it. This one, tricky part. So you gotta take them out. I'll show you the burn marks. See the burn marks, the black marks? Those ones are the ones we have to clean. Sandpaper. Clean them out. Just need a small piece. Once you clean this, clean the small ones as well. You'll see the burn marks there. So it has to be clean. Like no black marks or burn marks. To the next one. Once you clean it, spray it with a contact cleaner. The one clean. Wipe it off. Then it's a matter of putting them back. It's a bit tricky. There's a slot there. Needs to go where the slots are. So what I do is I put one at the back. Sorry about the video, but then use your screwdriver to somehow wedge it on the spot. So it has to be on those slots. Then it's just a matter of adjusting it. Look centered. Do the next one. Hold the back. Once you got it on the slot, then insert your screwdriver where the spring action is, then put it on the slot. There you go. Then contact cleaner again, just a little bit. Just a matter of putting it back. As long as you hear the clicking sound, there you go. Then with the cross, the white thing has to go like this. Push it. There you go. Next one. Go. Then your screwdriver, you have to pop them in. Once you hear the clicking sound, it's good. Pop them in. Give it a go. As long as you hear them flicking back, it's good. Then just clean the switch before you put it back. If there's any dust, then there's the white slots here for the switch. Then just put it where those white, line them up, and click it back. There you go. Now bring this a little bit. Then this goes right there. As long as you hear the clicking sound, that's good. Then we'll go over here. So we just have to try it first before we put it back. There you go. Then it's just a matter of take it off again. Just a matter of putting everything back again. So just put it back there. Sometimes you have to pry this, but if you start on an angle, first this, then you just have to press it down. And then put your screws back. 6 screws. Excuse my video, just want to share what I did on this Kia Sportage. 2012 model. All the windows are not opening and closing, so just need these tools: screwdriver, sandpaper, Phillips. If you got a pry bar like this, then contact cleaner. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you.